Hey, forest friends! Here's the letter of the day. It's the letter A. This is the letter A. This is the letter A. This is an uppercase A. This is a lowercase a. Let's practice naming the letters. What letter is this? A. What letter is this? A. A represents the sound. It actually represents two sounds, a and a. A says a in the word hat. A. Can you say a? A. A says the sound a in the word cake. A. You say a. The letter A represents two sounds, a or a. I have a book called The Cat in the Hat. Can you help me find the A's on the cover of the book? Let's look. The uppercase A, cat, a. Uppercase A in the word hat, a. Let's read one page of the book to find some more A's. The sun did not shine. It was. There's a lowercase a in was. That A looks different than the one that I wrote. A's can sometimes look different. To play. There's a lowercase a that says A in play. So we sat in the house all it says a different sound in the word all. That. There's another lowercase a cold, wet day. There's another A in the word day right in the middle. I wonder if you can find a book or a letter written by someone special and find all the A's at your house. I have some items that I found around my house that start with the letter A. This first one is called an agate. Agate starts with A. It's a kind of rock. I also found some aluminum foil. Here's the word aluminum. Aluminum starts with A. Aluminum. I also found me. My name is Allison. Allison starts with A. Allison. I want to practice writing the letter A. I can write an uppercase A with a big line up, big line down, little line across. Let's do that one more time. Big line up, big line down, little line across. Now I can write a lowercase a. A little curve, little line. Let's practice one more time. A little curve, little line. Let's practice writing the letter A in the air. We'll start with an uppercase A. Ready? Big line up, big line down, little line across. One more time. Big line up, big line down, little line across. Now let's practice writing a lowercase a in the air. Lowercase a. Can make a little curve, a little line. Let's do it one more time. Little curve, little line. Thanks for making the letter A with me. Before we go, I want to make a list of words that start with A. I'm going to make my list here, but then you can add on to your list at home using your voice or your communication device. I can think about the word apple. Apple starts with A. P. Ooh. Apple. How about the word at? At starts with A. I am at home. I can eat an apple. The last word I thought of was the word all. All. We are all Carner Blue friends. Apple, at, all. Thanks for making the list with me. If you add on to the list of A words, send them to me so I can see. Have a good rest of your day.